Executing manual test cases in Jira, particularly when using a test management tool like Zephyr, involves running and recording the results of predefined tests. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Jira. Access your Jira account with the necessary permissions to execute test cases. Navigate to the test cycle. Go to the project where your test cases are located. In the project sidebar or top navigation menu, select Zephyr or Test if using Zephyr, or the relevant test management tool integrated with Jira. Access test cases. Find the test cycle or test plan containing the manual test cases you need to execute. Click on Test Cycles or similar to view a list of test cases grouped for execution. Select the test case. Click on the test case you want to execute to open its details. This provides information on the steps to be followed, expected results, and any preconditions. Execute the test case. Follow the steps outlined in the test case manually. As you perform the test, record the results directly in Jira. In the test case view, update the execution status based on the outcome. Add comments if needed to provide details or report issues encountered. Save results. After updating the status and adding necessary comments, click Save or Submit to record the results. Review and analyze. Review test execution results in the test cycle or plan view. This helps in tracking test coverage, identifying issues, and evaluating overall quality.